Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I haven't been here in a while. I think I have not posted a video in close to a month or over a month, but I have a good reason. I'm gonna come back to this in a minute. First off, I want to talk about two very important things which have been happening with me. I recently launched a hair course on Seller.
Hi guys, I know you spend money regularly to take care of your natural hair, but wait, instead of spending all that money on hairstylists, did you know that you can become your own hairstylist? I'm a professional hairstylist with over 14 years experience and I have grown my own healthy natural hair for over 7 years. I just launched a course, the Do-It-Yourself Natural Hairstyling course. It's a practical video course where you learn how to style natural hair from scratch, even if you know nothing about hairstyling. In this course, you will learn the techniques that will help you master styling kinky natural hair. You will learn to part and section your hair to suit each hairstyle. You will learn how to style your hair to make it look fuller. And you will learn how to style hair correctly for effective hair growth and lots more. By the end of this course, you'll go from knowing absolutely nothing about hairstyling to becoming a natural hairstyling professional. And you can even start making money from it too. The course is currently going at a discount of 50%, which is $25 or 10,000 naira if you sign up within the next 72 hours. But after the discount, the fee goes back to $50 or 20,000 naira, which is the actual investment fee for the course. So send a DM now to grab this amazing offer. See you in class.
Seller is a marketing platform, a selling platform, and I'm going to link the course here. I'm going to try and link the course here. But I recently launched the course on Seller. I'm also going to link it in the description box, and it's basically a do-it-yourself hairstyling course where I teach you all of the basic techniques. The highlights of the course is that I show you and teach you all of the basic techniques which I have used that have helped me master styling my own natural hair. If you're struggling with do-it-yourself hairstyling and you want to really learn and understand how to master styling your own hair, especially if your hair type is 4B 4C, which is my hair type, then this course is for you. Also, if you know someone who may need a course like this, then you should refer them to the course. I'm going to link it here, and I'm also going to link it in the description box. The second thing is that I recently launched a hair class which is going to be held on the 28th to the 30th of October this month. So the class is also up on Seller, and you can get the tickets to the class on Seller. It's going to be a Telegram class and it costs only $2. The class is the most affordable hair class you're going to get from me, and it's also the most affordable hair class out there right now. So if you need a class that's going to teach you how to understand, I didn't even tell you the title of the class. The title of the class is Why Your Hair is Scanty and How to Fix It. So this class was primarily for my Facebook family because I haven't done anything for Facebook people for a but I decided to extend the invite to the class to my Instagram audience, my WhatsApp audience, and now I'm bringing it to my YouTube audience because trust me, people are always looking for new solutions. People are always trying to understand the reason why their hair is scanty, especially scanty hair. So I've had people ask me over and over and over and over what they can do to thicken their hair because my hair is really thick. So whenever I post a picture, like the top 5 comments is always, how do you get your hair so thick? What are you using? What are you doing? How can I get my hair to be like yours? So I finally decided to put all the knowledge that I've gathered into a small class, and this class is just $2 for the first 50 people. If you can sign up and be among the first 50, you're going to be paying $2 only, which is 1,000 naira in Nigerian naira. Afterwards, the class goes up to $5, which is just 3,000 naira in naira. It's still very affordable, just $5, and you're going to be learning a lot. It's a 3-day class, and this is what the outline of the class looks like. So this is the outline. These are the things you're going to be learning, and this is the class. So guys, those are two of the very important things that have been happening with me. For the course is just $25 for the early bird, and you have a 72-hour window to pay $25. After that, the price goes back to $50. $50 is the original price, and that is just 20,000 naira in Nigerian currency, and the $25 is 10,000 naira in Nigerian currency. So for 10,000 naira, you're going to be learning all of the techniques that have helped me master styling my hair my natural hair without heat and in such a way that my hair has continued to grow over the years. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, you guys please sign up before the prices go up. There's still space for the class. I just launched registration for the class yesterday. The class is holding at the end of the month. I feel like that's the most important thing right now. It's holding at the end of the month, and we have a $2 slot for 50 people. Afterwards you pay $5. So the course is still there. If you need more details, kindly send me a DM on Instagram and I will answer all of your questions. Now back to my hair. I'm currently wearing a protective style. These are yarn braids. I have a tutorial for this on my channel. I will find it and link it somewhere, but these are yarn braids and they're one of my favorite things to do. For this hairstyle, I use baby wool. Let me show you the braids up close. This is what the braids look like. So the way that I braid them, they come out really fluffy, and I don't braid them tight at all because I want them to look chunky. I like all of my hairstyles chunky, so I braid them in such a way that they look really thick. And I have about 25 braids on my head. Underneath my braids, my hair is in 2-strand twist. So if you look, you will see the twist somewhere. So I've been going through a lot. This year has been a lot. That one is not even it's not even something I can control. Like, this year has been much and I've had it up to here, but I cannot abandon you guys. So I had to just step in, just see how I can make a video, because I didn't want this to go on for too long. When I take breaks from YouTube, I try not to stay away for too long, because if you stay away for too long, sometimes coming back to start posting can be difficult, and I don't want to experience that difficulty when I come back to start posting. Also, another reason I've not posted a video in a really long time is because I had no more content stocked up. Typically I film content for weeks to come, and so as at the time that I posted my last video, that was the last video I had stocked up, and I didn't have any more content. That was the last video that I had in stock, and I didn't have any more content to post, and so I just left it and decided to take a break from there. But I decided to come back here and do a one-on-one video where I just talk to you guys about what has been going on lately with me, and the reason I've not been posting, and what is going on with my hair. So my hair, it's not that my hair is not growing. My hair is growing. I mean, hair always grows. If your hair is not growing, then you'll obviously be bald-headed. But my hair has been growing, just not fast enough for me. I've decided that instead of just waiting around and continuing to try multiple solutions, by solutions I mean hair growth formulas, hair growth recipes, majority of the content being the type which I post on my channel. So I've decided, instead of continuing to try multiple solutions like this, by solutions I mean hair growth recipes, hair growth formulas, all the things that I do, my routines, my regimen, changing things up, doing things for a season and then trying something else after a season. Not that these things don't work. Trust me, these things work, and I can guarantee you, if you use any of the formulas, any of the recipes that I've posted on my channel, and you use them for a long period of time, you will see results. I have used them, thousands of people have used them, and I can promise you results if you use them. It's just, for me, I feel like I'm at a point in my hair journey where I just want to try something new. And I have decided that I'm going to lock my hair. Now, I'm going to talk about this in an entirely separate video, but locking my hair is something I wanted to do for a really long time. I think for at least the past 3 or 2 years. So I have made multiple, or I think up to 3 videos showing how I started locks, and then I just loosened the locks and went back to growing my hair. The way that I have always wanted to start my locks is by the 2-strand twist method. Funny enough, a lot of people do not know that you can actually start dreadlocks by two-strand twisting your hair. People think you just have to get instant locks so that your locks will lock that particular time and you will not unravel it. And I have had a lot of people tell me that because I'm starting with two-strand twist, I am definitely going to unlock my twist and go back to rocking my natural hair. I wish they would place money on that bet so that I can collect all that money, because guys, trust me, this time I'm locking my hair, and I'm locking my hair for good. I'm going to talk about the way that I got my locks done in another video, my grid pattern, how I choose my size, and I ended up going for micro locks. So this is the first set of locks that I did, and this is my current set of locks. Funny enough, I had thought that when I was going to eventually lock my hair, I was going to settle for free-form locks, but I considered the fact that I really wanted to be versatile with styling my locks, and free-form locks will not really give you that versatility, especially if you go for really big locks. So I ended up going for micro locks. In my whole life, I never thought that I would actually do micro locks if it came down to locking my hair. But I ended up going for micro locks, and as you can see, I've been able to braid my hair on top of my locks. Now, when I talk about the grid pattern of my locks and how I selected my size, you can see that my braids, these big braids, are still in some sort of shape. There's still some sort of shape regarding the way that my parting is. But if you look at the back, it's not really shapy. So I had to actually, do my research, and then I went ahead to select the size that I wanted for my locks, and then I went ahead to find out exactly what I needed to do to get my locks to turn out really, really nice. So that is it for my locks. So for the rest of my hair not growing, like I said, it's growing, it's just that it's not growing fast enough for me. My hair is 7 years old. I've been natural for 7 years. Relaxers have not touched my hair for 7 years. Chemicals have not touched my hair for 7 years. I've not colored or dyed my hair for 7 years. I've taken really, really good care of my hair from the time that I went natural up until this moment. So I feel like for someone that has invested so much, by now my hair should have actually gotten to my waist. That's how I feel genuinely, and I understand that it may not always be like that, and maybe in my case it's not supposed to be like that. I understand that your hair can go up to a point and then stop growing, but for me, I'm quite dissatisfied with my hair length right now, and my primary goal for this year was length, and I've not achieved that length. I had told myself at the start of the year that if by December 2022 I had not gotten to mid-back length, I was going to lock my hair. And it's not even December and I have locked my hair. I locked my hair on the 3rd of October, this month. So I started a day before, which is the 2nd, and the entire thing took me about 10 hours to do, from washing my hair to blow drying my hair. I blow dried my hair, from washing my hair to blow drying my hair to installing the twist. As usual with Nigeria, they've taken light, so I had to quickly rush to my room to complete this video. But like I said, from the process of washing my hair to blow drying my hair and then twisting my hair, everything took me about 10 hours. I will address this in a separate video and give you all of the details, but for now, that's basically all that has been going on with me. Like I mentioned earlier, the class details are going to be linked in the description box, and the details for the course are also going to be linked in the description box. Here is my Instagram handle in case you have any questions, any DMs, any inquiries that you'd like to make. So just shoot me a message and I will answer you promptly. For now, I'll see you guys when I post my next video, which hopefully should be within a week from this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.